Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Today we have an opportunity from the company Elite Insurance Partners. They're looking for a YouTube marketing specialist. It pays from $50,000 to $60,000 a year. If you're the type of person that takes ownership of their work, embraces their journey instead of the destination, and goal-oriented, we want to talk to you. We're looking for a talented video marketing specialist to turn relevant topics into compelling videos and drive various marketing campaigns. The selected candidate will be responsible for helping us ramp our video content across channels, growing video engagement and quality and brand alignment, continuous visual presentation, innovation, and timely content delivery. Elite Insurance Partners is an insurance brokerage based in Palm Harbor, Florida, that is consistently ranked as one of high-performance individuals who have entrepreneurial mindset and deep passion for what they do and why they do it. If this sounds like you, we would like to offer you to join one of the best cultures in Tampa Bay. You have to do a 5-minute assessment. Duties and responsibility. This is not a video production / videographer role. Own video strategy, including YouTube optimization and analytics. Work with other members of the marketing team, including social content, SEO, and PPC, to develop video content that achieves their channel goals, whether it's traffic, engagement, shares, or leads. Identify new opportunities for videos can help marketing meet or exceed targeted goals. Work directly with our video producer to brainstorm / create video content to drive customer engagement. Participate in video and digital marketing consultations with the marketing team to gather critical information such as message, target audience, timeline, budget, and goals. Perform various competitive analysis and provide recommendations based on current competitive landscape. Work with content writers on scripting for video and messaging for digital marketing campaigns. Monitor and report on metrics for video content and presenting directly to stakeholders and management teams when needed, leveraging video analytics tools for deeper insights outside of YouTube. Seek out new processes, methods, and opportunities in order to help make the best recommendation as it relates to video marketing initiatives. Analyze the success of video initiatives and adjust strategy accordingly in collaboration with the content expert. Optimize video content for publication online on a variety of platforms, including social media and YouTube, by writing descriptions, adding tags, and uploading thumbnails, etc. Requirements: a minimum required of 2+ years experience building successful video strategies, experience creating video content with video production partners, strong writing, editing, and communication skills, experience writing video scripts, high attention to detail, sense of ownership, and dedication to accuracy, quality, and ability to handle multiple projects at once, familiarity with YouTube SEO, and experience ranking videos organically for various competitive search terms on YouTube and Google. Experience with YouTube paid ads is a plus. Demonstrate a deep level of understanding of YouTube as a search engine, what works, what's required, and how we get ahead from the platform. Ability to work as a part of a team or individually, depending on project requirements and scope. This job is full-time, pays $50,000 to $60,000 per year, and includes some benefits such as 401k matching, dental, health, life, and vision insurance, paid time off, and referral program. It has 8-hour shifts. Some of the application questions is: what is your personal email address and what is your experience with YouTube SEO? If you would like to apply for this particular position, we'll put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have 5 to 7 job leads every single day on this channel. All you have to do is subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be one of the first notified when we have the best work from home job for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.